Okay, so when I was starting out my online course business, I thought that the only way to generate income and actually sell my courses was through paying for ads. And this kept me from actually creating my first course and listing it for sale for many months. I really didn't feel comfortable to invest hundreds and perhaps thousands of dollars on ads for a course that I wasn't even sure that it's gonna sell. On top of that, I didn't have the expertise to run ads. I had no idea how to create website and again run those ads. And I didn't want to hire people when I had $0 of revenue. And the truth is that you shouldn't be running ads if you have $0 of monthly income generated by your courses. It is an extremely bad strategic approach in this business because you're going to be spending money on something that you don't even know that is going to profit you at the end of the day. Now you might be thinking, okay, if I shouldn't invest on ads and I should build a steady monthly income before starting to consider running ads for my courses, then how am I going to build this steady monthly income? Well, this is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video right here. Now here's a fact that might surprise you. More than 90% of online courses listed for sale online do not acquire traffic through ads. So more than 90% again of courses that are listed don't run ads to acquire customers. So before we analyze how to sell your courses without running ads completely for free, we need to understand the 3 ways to acquire traffic in your product, in your courses. So obviously the first way is by running ads, okay? By paying Google, by paying Facebook, by paying Instagram, again, to bring people on your landing pages, on your website, and again, make them buy your courses. Now, this is gonna cost you money, okay? And you need to have a great website to attract those clients and have high conversion rates so you're profitable at the end of the day. But we're not gonna mess with ads in this video. There are 2 more ways to sell your courses, and those 2 ways are actually completely free. The second way is to drive traffic from your social media, okay, your audience, to your landing page, to your website. And of course, it's going to be completely free because this requires you to have an audience and sell them something. Now, out of the 3 ways elaborated in this video on how to sell your course without paying for ads, this is the hardest one because it requires you to have a community of people that are interested in your product. To give an example, this is exactly what I offer in this channel right here. This channel specializes on teaching people how to create courses and sell them fastly in just 7 days. And this is the product that I sell. So if someone, for example, is interested in how to create an online course business in just 7 days, for example, he can click the link and be directed to my website and buy my course from there. Again, this is a way to sell your course with completely $0 paid on ads, but this requires you to have a community again of people that trust you and respect what you have to say. But what if I told you that there is a 3rd way to sell your courses and generate income from your courses that doesn't require you to have followers and requires $0 on advertising? This is the method that I have been using for the past 3 years to generate steady monthly revenue from my courses, and I've been using this money to reinvest it back on my business. So I was able to hire editors, to create my own website, and to upgrade my gear using this method right here. And this method is also the exact same way that 90% of course creators have been selling their courses up to this day. And this method goes like this. We create courses and we list them in online course marketplaces. Now, online course marketplaces could be Udemy, could be Skillshare, could be SkillSuccess, Coursera, and many other marketplaces. Now, here's the catch. Those online course marketplaces actually profit when they sell one of your courses. So they have their built-in advertising methods in their own ecosystem of students, okay, of clients. So they take care of advertising your course and they promote your course into their students. Now, here's the best part. Every single online course marketplace has its own ecosystem of students that usually don't overlap with each other. This means that the exact same course with the same title, the same description, and the same lessons can be listed on Skillshare, Udemy, Coursera, and SkillSuccess, and can be generating income from all of those 5 income streams independently. Now, this strategic approach might sound too good to be true, but there is actually one catch, one problem that 99% of course creators that I have seen don't implement in their courses, in their strategic approach, and they lose a huge amount of sales. Each online course marketplace has its own algorithm and its own way to attract students and sell your courses. And there are different ways to help each different marketplace, each different algorithm to promote your courses and drive more sales. To give an example, in Skillshare, students pay a yearly or a monthly subscription fee, and you get paid based on the amount of premium watch time, based on the premium minutes that they have consumed in your courses. So there are specific tips and tricks that you can apply to your courses to maximize your revenue on Skillshare. For example, making your videos more captivating and increasing the average view duration of your student. Once Skillshare understands that students are watching a big amount of your course, then Skillshare is going to distribute your course in many more of their students, and this will exponentially grow your revenue. Now, on Udemy, on the other hand, this algorithm works completely different. Students on Udemy buy each one of the courses listed there independently, and Udemy runs promotions, so they promote your courses through their ads with huge discounts. A tip, for example, that many people don't know about Udemy is that you need to list your courses in $109 each, because then Udemy drives the correct discounts that attract most of the students. And again, those are just a very small amount of tips and tricks that course creators should know when distributing their courses into online course marketplaces. Trust me, at this point, as we speak in the online course market, this is the absolute ultimate way to generate income from your courses, because again, we don't pay for ads, we just list our courses for free and we collect income from all of those different online course marketplaces. Now, if you want to learn more about those online course marketplaces and some other tips on how to maximize your revenue in this field, you can book a call with me in the first link in the description and we can have a one-on-one chat. So thank you very much. I'm going to see you in the next video.